Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I believe we can all agree on how important first impressions are. A first impression says a lot about a person, and one of the best ways in which you can give a good first impression is by the way you dress, the way you present yourself, and these Florsheim shoes will definitely help you give the best first impression. These shoes are perfect whether you're going to an interview or if you're going to an important meeting. You know that if you wear these shoes, you're going to give a really good impression and you're going to look in style. So I find these shoes to be very classy and very elegant. Specifically, I feel like they go well with a suit. And honestly, I think these shoes work not just for a first impression, but for a second, third, or even fourth impression. Honestly, these shoes just look amazing. They have so much detail. They are perfectly finished. They just really stand out because of how elegant and delicate these shoes look. So definitely you cannot go wrong with these Florsheim shoes. And that is my point of view.